I just want to point out that every single one of our craftsmen are truly vetted. We're going to come into your home. You can trust us in your home. You don't have to worry about one of my guys in the back or anything like that. You're going to have your project manager along the way stopping by and checking on the project as well. I just want everybody to feel safe and comfortable that we've been in business for a long time. We know what we're doing. By any means, I'm not saying we're perfect and you got perfection every single time, but I will tell you that if you buy a bathroom from us, we will make it right. We'll make it installed correctly and you're not going to have worry. We call it Bordner Bliss. Bordner Bliss, and essentially there's two things that most companies have. And most companies out there can do a really good job with being results driven, or they can do a really good job being customer focused, but it's hard to do both. When you marry both those up, where you're results driven and customer focused, that's what we call Bordner Bliss. And Bordner Bliss is simply just setting it and forgetting it, you know? You know that you've hired us. We're gonna take care of you. We're gonna bring your project home. There could be some ripples along the way or speed bumps as there is with any construction project, but you've got people you can reach out to. You'll never be in the dark. We're here the entire time and we're here after the sale too to service it as well.